back at Sleepburn. I'm just here. I want to give it a try. I want to catch a fish. Been looking at people's videos and reading about what's working, what's not working. Messaged Sleepburn last night to see what flies people have been using and what's been catching. So I put a couple together in my box. So fingers crossed I can catch something. So let's go in and get started. Right, so just before I start, I'll just show you what I've got on. I've got a black and white buzzer with a little olive buzzer with a little bit of hair on the top. Then at the end I've just got this green fab, so hopefully it will catch on a buzzer. Hopefully it will just catch. But if I looked at one of those, I think I need to... it was this one. I need to crush that bob. I don't like bobs, do I? There we go. Let's get to it. Oh. So there's plenty of fish rising. Right, so it's not going my way at the minute, so I've just changed to a little hawthorn. Say a little, it's got quite a big hook on it, so I don't have anything smaller. I don't think I do, but I'll give this a go. Put a bit of river mud on the line. Yeah. Right, so I've came around the other side. I wasn't having much luck. Someone else has gone on peg 1. Let's just see how he gets on. I'm just paying to to stand here at the minute. Fish don't seem to be rising now. They must have had the breakfast. Right, so I'm going to give this guy a go. Waited, sink down a bit, see if that can tease any of them.
a fishing net.
Interesting that top that way. And that's first find a little beetle. Put a little beetle on. I put some river mud on there just for it being sunny. night I kind of give up with life. You know, I enjoyed this last year. For some reason I'm just not enjoying it now. Right, so that's me done at Sleekburn. Cool fuck all. I'm at the stage now. I've been out fly fishing 3 times, once at Front and twice at Sleekburn, and my excitement's not there anymore. Last year I had a really good time. Just started to learn how to do it. Just catching some fish, at least one fish. I don't know what it is. I think through the winter I've had good times catching cod. Then I started the pike. Then I was catching pike every time I went out, bar ones. So yeah, pretty bummed. But do I give in? I don't know. I'll just keep at it, I guess. So until next time, thank you very much.